Guys, I wanted to show you this Suede cleaner that the company sent me. So I wanted to give it a try with you guys. You get the block as well as a nice brush. So I read that it doesn't work great for like oil stains, but it definitely is supposed to like remove just the dirt and kind of like freshen up. So, you know, these shoes are expensive. So my daughter loves them, but I want to, you know, try to keep them nice for her. So I just gently rub this on. And it just gently goes on, and then you go ahead, and these haven't been treated with anything either, which I probably should have done, but I haven't. And then you go ahead and, you know, just, ooh, you see all that dirt coming off. Ooh. She wears these a lot. So you go ahead and you just like gently take this to it, and it's going to restore it down and just clean it off. Like, you can't use anything to clean something like this. So I think this is perfect for that. I will use these on, I have a Suede jacket. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the jacket. And then you can use it on leather. So you can use it on different surfaces and get it nice and clean. And I like that it comes with this like really nice brush. So, oh yeah, I can really see that difference right there. So if it's something that you are looking for and need, I would definitely go ahead and grab this.